Are you looking for the best Men Trolley case with cup holder? In this video we will look at some of the best Men Trolley case with cup holder on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Front opening laptop bag women USB Men Trolley. Material PC wheel 360 degrees mute caster frame reinforced zipper frame password lock ordinary password lock tie rod thick alloy rod handle comfortable handle function waterproof, wear resistant, shock proof. Pressure resistance luggage size note 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, 1 centimeter equals 0.39 inch. Note 2 there might be slightly difference in color, because of the computer monitor settings. Note 3 with the difference in the measurement method, please allow 1 to 3 centimeters in size deviation. Number 2. Travel bag, backpack large capacity, made of Oxford cloth and polyester material, wear resistant and scratch resistant effortlessly maneuver through airports with the bag's universal wheel feature, ensuring smooth travel perfect size for storing essential clothes, electronics, pants, shoes, toiletries and more suitable for many occasions such as sports, traveling, weekend vacations, shopping, hiking and camping. Foldable design, takes up little space and is easy to carry. Number 3. Men Business Trave Luggage Suitcase 18-inch. Sturdy and convenient to use, this laptop briefcase is made with waterproof Oxford material, offering protection against moisture. Equipped with a telescopic trolley. 2 corner wheels and a curb protector are added for stability. 2-wheel laptop briefcase. The wheeled laptop trolley is lightweight and spacious, ideal for everyday office use and doubles up as a carry-on hand luggage for weekend or overnight travels. Number 4. Trolley Travel Case Password Rolling Luggage. Versatile design. Our luggage is designed with multiple functions in mind, making it the perfect companion for all your travel needs. Durable construction. Our luggage is made from materials built to withstand the rigors of travel. With reinforced corners and sturdy frame. Plenty of storage space. Our suitcases offer ample storage space to hold all your essentials. Number 5. Brand Trolley Luggage Bag with Wheels New Backpack. This is a portable backpack for students or business people. It has 5 zippered compartments for added capacity, including pen slots, a key ring, 4 inside pockets, 2 side pockets and 1 back pocket. The padded center compartment can hold up to 17.3-inch laptops, including 15.6-inch, 14-inch and 13-inch MacBooks. The main compartment of this roller backpack has a 45-liter capacity for carrying school books and laptops or packing travel clothes.